I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything down, remote and phone, then remove any case. Once done, position the stick on a soft cloth to protect finishes. Inspect the remote housing for a seam, visible latch, or a twist-off cap. This tells you the only way forward. Use a small flat prying tool or fingernail at the seam and apply gentle, even pressure to test movement. If there's a screw, begin with a small Phillips, otherwise prepare to twist or pry carefully. Once you've exposed a seam or removed screws, continue slowly. A quick yank can break clips. You should feel clips release or a slight turn. Keep steady pressure and pry incrementally around the perimeter. As halves separate, pause to look for ribbon cables, tiny springs, or a battery pack. These are fragile. Make sure you note battery orientation and take photos if needed. Lay components in order. This acts as your roadmap. If a part resists, back up and find the next clip rather than forcing it. Now remove the remote module. Lift the PCB or plastic module straight out, disconnecting any plug or spring contact with a small tool. You want the module free without bending pins. If the goal is removal from the stick, slide any retaining sleeve or release tab and pull. If reusing, replace the battery and receipt contacts. If removal feels jammed, make sure no hidden screws remain, or warm the seams slightly with breath or a hairdryer to relax plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.